SEA.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 150, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Danbury, South Carolina. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Event Q23.